This review is of Sim's original recipe pork snack sticks, and they're sugar-free, hardwood smoked, which doesn't necessarily mean anything, and they're fully cooked, USDA inspected. There are the nutrition facts and the ingredients right there. All right, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we think about this. Oh, nice. It's not resealable, so you're going to have to figure out a solution for storing it if you don't eat the whole thing all at once, which I'm not planning on doing. See? Okay, so I cut it open, and let's see if it's any good or if it's just, unremarkable. Oh. And they left the links together. Yay, I bet the right one. Okay, so, you know what? I just realized you didn't see the whole of the nutrition facts. So, one stick of this has 550 milligrams of sodium. One stick is 76 grams. That's not actually too bad of a ratio, relatively speaking. It's a fairly mild sausage. What nice. Me personally, I would say if you like a kind of a mild sausage, this is going to be good. If you want to make it stronger, you can always pop it into a pan, cook it up so that it increases the flavor because of dehydration. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.